Hi and welcome back. In this demonstration, I'm going to show you how to create chart of accounts using the Google spreadsheet. Now, I've already showed you how to import accounts using a Excel or CSV spreadsheet. Now I'm going to show you how to do the exact same thing, but in this case, we're going to be using a Google spreadsheet to do this. So we're going to click on the settings cog and then click on import data. And then we're going to click on chart of accounts. And before we connect our Google Sheets, I want to first give you a preview of what the spreadsheet is supposed to look like. So this is what it's supposed to look like. So if you're creating it from scratch yourself, you're going to copy exactly everything you see here. You're going to copy the account number, account name, type, and the detail type. And then you are going to start to create the accounts that you want to import into QuickBooks. All right, so now let's go ahead and create this account. So we're going to, or rather import this spreadsheet. So we're going to click on connect. Then we're going to click on the Google account that we want to use. And now we are going to search for the actual Google sheet. So it's QBO sample spreadsheet. Let's search that. And here it is. And then we're going to click on select. So sheet 1 is where the transactions are. Now you can name the sheet to make it a little bit more easier when you're importing it, but I didn't name the sheet. But I do know that all of the data that I'm trying to import is inside of sheet 1. So this is correct. Now, if you want to change the actual Google sheet that you're using, you can click on change and repeat what we just did and then choose a different Google sheet. But this is the correct Google sheet, so we're not changing anything. So now we have what we need. We have our QBO sample sheet and the information is on sheet 1. So now let's click on next. Then we have detail type, we have account name, and we have account number and type. This is just telling us all of the different fields that we have set up on our Google sheet. It looks good, it looks correct. So let's go ahead and click on next. So now here is what we are about to import. So we're importing transactions, 4 transactions that are already in QuickBooks. So these transactions are not actually going to hit QuickBooks because they already exist. I just wanted to show you how to use Google Sheets to import your chart of accounts if you decided to use Google Sheets rather than using Excel. So because these accounts already exist in QuickBooks, it won't let us import. It's going to kick us out. And this is also a good check on you if you decide that you want to import accounts into QuickBooks. If the account already exists, you're going to be warned. So we're going to go ahead. So now, assuming that these accounts did not already exist in QuickBooks, then when we click on import, it's going to just automatically import the same way it did when we used the Excel spreadsheet. But when I click import, you're going to see what happens. It's warning us that we did not import some of your data because it already exists in QuickBooks. If you still want to import it, change the information in the highlighted fields and try again. Okay, so we don't want to import it. We were just doing a bit of a sample. So then we're going to just go ahead and exit out of here. So that is how to use Google Sheets to import your chart of accounts into QuickBooks Online. I try to help beauty industry professionals transform their financial life, and not just transforming their financial life from a business perspective, but also transforming their financial life from a personal perspective. Because at the end of the day, you know, what we do for a living is what helps us elevate our personal lives, right? It helps us to save for retirement, it helps us to purchase vehicles, it helps us to purchase homes, it just helps us to go on vacation. Everything that we do in our business lives helps better our personal lives.